Question: what is the most important commodity you have in your life? You know what it is? It's time. Your time. That is the most important thing. And it's extremely valuable. And people know this. I know this. Basically, consumer capitalism is a fight, it's a dog fight for your precious time. So, when you actually think about how you live your life, what you choose to do, say, for example, if you're doing a full time job, you're basically giving 45 hours of your valuable time in return for some cash reward and a few other fringe benefits, I suppose. Sure, right? It's perfectly valid. If you're a student and you're probably studying what 5 hours a day, 10 hours a day, it's time. So what you do with your time is extremely essential and critical for you to think about. Like you have to actually take the time to think about what you're going to do with your time. I believe that the world's or that our most the most useful tool we have in our life is our brain. It's the brain, right? So we have legs, we have arms, we have ears, we have eyes, we have our nose, we have our mouth. So we have all these organs, right? Out of all the organs, the brain is the most useful. And when I think about the extent to which we use our brain, for example, myself, I feel like there was a good time in my life, especially after college, higher education, career, etc. There was this time period where I didn't have the time to utilize my brain, especially with respect to the action of thought. Is the most important thing that you can do with your brain is thinking. So if you take a job, you're working part time for a couple of occasions, I don't know, right? You're training yourself, you're engaging in higher education, you're in a university, whatever. So you're basically just using your brain, right, to do all of these things. But are you actually thinking? Fortunately, fortunately, in my life, I was in a situation and I was with a group of friends, and we all together took a significant amount of time to just discuss, think, share, ideate, brainstorm. So thinking was thinking exactly what we should do, how we live, what exactly should our way of life be. So that was a big benefit I had. And I feel like our students, especially younger generation, but as I grow old and as I open my eyes further and further and I look at society and I look at what is going on, I also see like even adults, we don't have the time to think. We have time to do everything else, to engage in our jobs, to do the work that needs to be done, to deliver all of that. But we don't have the time to think. And in being unable to think, we sacrifice that precious commodity we own, time. Right? If we take the time to think exactly what we need to do, how we need to do it, what our life should be, what is wrong with our life, how can we fix it? If we take that time to think, then we can use that thought, use the results of that thinking to make our life better, and basically to use our time much better in a much more precious, utilizable, useful way, not only to ourselves but to everybody else around us, and hopefully the community down the line. So everyone, especially in, like I said, consumer capitalism, everybody is fighting for your attention. You switch on the TV, you watch YouTube. Everywhere there are advertisements. They want you to watch those. They want you to buy those. They want you to engage yourself with those. Basically, you're sacrificing time for those. So you have to be very careful. If you want to pursue higher education, people are outright lying. I've seen this. I am in the education industry. People are lying to get your time and then money. And the motive is money, but money is coming from the in the back of the promise of your time. You pay and you give your time also for a lie. So be careful. You have to be extremely careful, extremely cautious. There are plenty of resources out there for you to research. There are plenty of people out there for you to talk to, for you to get the right advice from. Do not let capitalistic, money herding, money mongering institutions just bamboozle you into giving away your precious time. Don't let that happen. Be very careful what you do with your time. It is the most precious thing you have. It is very important. Protect it as if it were your own, because it is your own. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. It's very important, guys. I hope you make use of this. All the best. It just came. I didn't even plan for this, but it's something heartfelt, something I've been thinking a lot about. I hope you make good use of it. Take care.